GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about factors and multiples. Primes, factors and multiples. The position of a number tells you its value. For example, 18,563 equals 1 10,000, 8,000, 500s, 6 tens and 3 units. The order of place value goes from units, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Place value continues after the decimal points and starts with tenths. Factors of a number are those that divide into that number exactly, whole numbers that divide leaving no remainder. All numbers will have a minimum of 2 factors, the number itself and 1. Prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by themselves and 1. Prime numbers are therefore the numbers that have only 2 factors. For example, 31 can only be divided by 31 and 1. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Except for 2 and 5, all prime numbers end in 1, 3, 7 or 9. However, not all numbers ending in 1, 3, 7 or 9 are prime. For example, 21 can be divided by 1, 3, 7 and 21. The common factor of 2, or more, numbers are numbers that are factors of both numbers. For examples, the factors of 12 and 20 are 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Multiples of a number are the numbers that appear in its times table. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc. Common multiples of 2 or more numbers are numbers that are in the times tables of both of those numbers. For example, 8 appears in both the 2 and the 4 times table, so it is a multiple of both 2 and 4. Any number bigger than 1 can be broken down into a sequence of prime numbers that will all multiply together to make the original number. This is called prime factorization. The prime factorization of each number is unique. No 2 numbers will have the same sequence. A factor tree breaks a number down into factors and then breaks these factors down into smaller factors. This process is repeated until the factors are prime and cannot be broken down further. When making a factor tree, find a factor pair. Find any factors that are not prime. Find a factor pair for the non-prime factor. Check for non-prime factors. If there are non-prime factors, repeat until all factors are prime. You may be asked to write a number as a product of its prime factors. To do this, find the prime factors. For example, the prime factors of 64 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. As a product, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Index form or index notation is a method of writing multiplications of the same number and can be used in writing prime factors. For example, the prime factors of 20 equals 2, 2, 5. This can be written as 2 times 5 to the power 2.